Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Zakir Naik. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hamza from Morocco and one of your big fans. I always wonder why you don't target most famous personalities who have big influence on the world, like singers, Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran, or actors or football players, Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar. They have huge followers. If one accepts Islam, millions will accept. Lastly, when will you visit Morocco? Brother Hamza from Morocco has asked a very good question. He's wondering, why don't I target celebrities, the famous personalities, like actors, like football players, etc. Brother, if you can arrange any meeting with any of the celebrities, I'm welcome. I am always available. If you can arrange any meeting with any celebrity who has a large following, surely I'll take out my time and do dawah with them. To do dawah with the celebrities is not easy. If we get any opportunity, we don't miss it. We sometimes go out of the way, and there have been occasions in India when we had talks which have been very busy. I saw to it that if there is a celebrity who we have a chance of doing dawah, but we see to it that we don't break any rules of the Sharia. We have to follow our principles. We don't do anything haram to do dawah to them. And if you can do it, though, there have been occasions where we have done with many of the film actors, had shows, etc. with them. But I would not like to waste my time. Okay, if I have to waste 20, 40, 50 hours and then I'll get an appointment, I better not do it. So if I'm going to waste 100 hours of mine, my precious time, where I can maybe convince many people or do dawah, okay, if it's possible, little bit more time, no problem. Once, twice, thrice, 4 times, no problem. But not spend time and then you may not get results. You try for an appointment, you don't get appointment. So I don't really go out of the way. If I know there is someone who can arrange the meeting, I'm available. But I will not waste 100 hours and then after 100 hours nothing happens. You try to meet someone, you spend hours. So the thing is there that it's good. Because even the Prophet always, and when the Quran says, target the head of the kuffar, so targeting celebrities is good, but I don't want to spend time in which I will not get results. So there are occasions there where we had opportunities to speak to celebrities, important people, with people of high profession, and he went out of the way to do dawah. But since you have asked this question, if you can arrange anyone, I am willing. I am always, I wouldn't mind giving double the time also to anyone who is a celebrity and who has a large following, whether they accept or not. Our job is to do zikr. Allah says, فَذَكِّرْ مَنْ تَمُزَكِّرْ. Your job is to live the message, giving hidayah in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And coming to your last question, that when will I come to Morocco? I've been to Morocco, if I'm not mistaken, in 2014. I visited Morocco. I had been to Casablanca, I've been to Marrakesh, I've been to Rabat. It's a beautiful country. MashaAllah, very good scenery. I'd gone there to attend a conference and I gave a talk, but that was long back in 2014. Next, when Allah wishes, when my requirements are different now. So my requirements are fulfilled, and if there is time, inshallah, I wouldn't mind visiting Morocco again. When will it happen? Allah knows the best. At present, there are many invitations in the pipeline. We are struggling with time and we are trying to get slots for the various invitations that we have received. Inshallah, if we receive an invitation from Morocco, from the criteria that I mentioned, and if it takes place, I would love to go to Morocco again. Hope that answers the question.